Good morning, Travels with Dottie, and it is about 7:15 a.m. on the 9th of May, 2024. And Dottie and I are out for a walk, and I'm experimenting a little with getting shots of Dottie while she walks. So, heck, you might want to take a look at this and tell me what you think. It's pretty rough. I haven't exactly figured out how I might be able to do this, but people have been asking constantly for more Dottie content, so here's more Dottie content. So it's going to be a little short video, just testing out the camera and showing you some Dottie. So I'm adding some voice after the fact. I really didn't talk much. Well, I don't think I talked at all while doing this. I was concentrating on how I can use my equipment to track Dottie while she's walking. It involved a lot of editing because I don't know if you noticed in walks, Dottie stops very, very frequently, and I have to encourage her to keep walking. So I've cut out those parts and left in the sort of the trotting. There's a little truck in the background. Hopefully that's not too much of a distraction. You should be able to hear me pretty well. So while I'm going through this, for those of you that are interested, a little background on Dottie. Dottie just on May 4th just turned 9 years old. I got her when she was 2 years old. My previous dog Sadie had just passed away, and I can go maybe 3 or 4 days without a dog, and I need to get another dog. So I went to a rescue, and Dottie found me. As I walked up, there was a PetSmart. You know, they have rescue crews come in, and there was a young woman sitting out on the sidewalk with a dog next to her. And so I stopped and started talking to her, and I sat down. Excuse me. And I'm sure you realize that dog was Dottie. And Dottie, while I was talking, the woman sort of slowly climbed over to me and climbed into my lap, and the woman's eyes got big. She said, "I've never seen Dottie do anything like that." Dottie seemed very skittish and timid. Um, and so we all went inside, and I looked at all the other dogs, and I kept, of course, looking back over at Dottie. And the uh, director of the nonprofit was there, and I got talking to her about Dottie, and she said, "Well, let me tell you something about Dottie. Dottie's been adopted out and returned twice, so we need to disclose that to you." So that was enough for me. I said, "I'm taking this dog, whatever it takes. I'm going to take care of her." And that's how it happened. The 2 times she was returned, they said she was too needy. Absolutely ridiculous. Totally ridiculous. In fact, Dottie would probably be well within her rights to return me for being too needy. And here the water's heated up. Here, right on top of that honey. I stir that until I can't find that lump anymore. Won't take long. Okay, the lump is gone. Get a little coffee mate. And yeah, I'd rather use milk or cream, but it just doesn't last as long for me. And there we go. There's coffee for the morning. Well, I appreciate you stopping by, going for a walk with me and Dottie, and watching me make my coffee, which right now should be just about right. It's perfect. Thank you for watching my video. I as always, honored by you watching, taking your valuable time and watching my videos. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. The new way I can shut this off remotely would be this little thing. I just press a button and I'm gone.